Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Evie and today I have a Dollar Tree haul and I'm really excited to share everything that I got. Most of the things that I purchased are bath and body products. So if you like Dollar Tree hauls, bath and body products, then stay right where you are and keep on watching. Okay beauties, so let's get started with this haul. I put everything inside of my bag that I purchased the last time I shared a Dollar Tree haul. It's this bag right here. There's a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh. I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible. I'm not going to talk too much, hopefully. So let's get started. I'm going to show you everything. So stay right where you are. Okay. Alright beauties, so I'm going to begin with a repurchase because I really love this product that I hauled the last time from Bolero. And this is the coconut oil and sea salt pure vegetable oil bath soap. This stuff is awesome. I purchased the shower gel, the hand wash, the bath salts, the hand cream. But my favorite out of everything is this soap. Love it. I love the scent of this. It's not too strong, it's not too light, it's just perfect. It moisturizes my skin so amazingly and it lasts such a long time. This is such a big bar. Love this stuff. Will repurchase again. Hopefully they continue to have these. This is my favorite scent. I haven't tried any other one and I'm just gonna stick to this one. I really love it. All right, so I was excited to see some new shampoos and conditioners, and the one that I saw that I really was excited about is the Salon Selectives Marula Magic shampoo and conditioner. Look how huge these are for $1 each. Really excited to try this. This is enriched with vitamin E. This purifies for glossy hair. They both say the same thing, purifies and adds gloss. I'm just excited to try it. The packaging is nice with the pink. Love it. I think it smells good. I don't even remember if I even smelled it, but I'm going to smell it here anyway. It has a nice scent. I like it. It's coconutty, I guess. Excited to try this. Let me know if you've tried these before or if you've seen these at your Dollar Tree or if you haven't seen these at your local Dollar Tree. But I'm really excited to use these and see if they work. The next shampoo I purchased is from one of my favorite brands, VO5. This says that it's new. It's a passion fruit smoothie with soy milk protein. It's a moisturizing shampoo. It softens and shines. I love moisturizing shampoos because I have dry, frizzy hair. I mean, it's getting better, but stuff like this actually works. So hopefully this is a good one. I purchased a different one before. I don't even remember, but I didn't even like it. It was horrible. So I prefer the original VO5, the orange liquid one. That one smells good and it brings me back to my childhood, but decided to try this one. It has a nice scent to it. I'll see. It has 5 vitamins and oils. It says it's paraben free and silicone free. I never even knew that they were paraben free before, but that's good to know. And this is a 15 fluid ounce for just $1. The next two products are fragrances. Yeah, fragrances. And these are imitations, of course, and this is EAD. It says new and improved. It says compared to Ed Hardy by Christian Audigier. Hopefully I said that right. So this one is Hot Thrills for women. The packaging is really nice. I don't know. I just decided to try one of these. I always pass on them. I've seen them before, but I'm not intrigued. But this, I was like, let me try this out because I need new fragrances. I like trying new things. And the bottle is really cute. It smells amazing. I already tried it and I really like it. My mom said it smelled good too. So it really does smell good. I don't know. I haven't tried Ed Hardy. It just says Ed Hardy by Christian Audigier. I don't know. But I haven't tried any Ed Hardy fragrances. I think I smelled them before, but I never bought it. So I'm really excited to wear this more often because I did spritz it and I really like the scent. Let me know if you try these fragrances and if you like them. And then the other one is Compared to Fantasy by Britney Spears. Now, I'm not a huge fan of Britney Spears. never was. Even when she was very popular back in the day. I don't know, I'm not really into her, but the fragrance, if her fragrance smells similar to this, who knows, maybe I'll buy it or not. Maybe this is better. This one smells like cotton candy to me. It smells amazing. I love sweet scents. And wait, at first you get alcohol. You get a scent of alcohol, but this one says it's called Legerdemain. Legerdemain is a very weird name for a fragrance. I don't know, maybe it has a meaning, but it smells like cotton candy. That's why I got it. It smells really nice. I like this one. My husband didn't like it, but I'll just wear it for myself. Whenever I'm with him, I'll just wear the ones that he likes. But this, for every day or whatever, it smells really nice. All right, so the next product I picked up another Bolero facial wipes, but this time I got the vanilla cream. I was looking for the coconut oil and sea salt. Actually, that's another Bolero product that I really liked. The wipes, they're really good, not only for removing the makeup, let's say if you do swatches, but also for your face. I really like it to refresh my skin. It's not harsh on the skin or anything, so that's why I decided to get one of these. This one is vanilla cream. I was going to get another one that I like, which is Global Beauty Care. I think those were one of my favorites, but this one you get more. I think I was gonna get the one that had like 15 or something. I don't even remember. Okay, all I know is that I really like these wipes. This one smells good. It is vanilla cream, and you don't really get a strong scent, which is good if you're putting this on your face. The next product that I'm really excited to share is a bath bomb. I finally got these at my local Dollar Tree. I'm thinking about Walgreens. This is the Treat Me Bath Burst, and I got the one that says #Sparkles. I don't know, is this the fragrance? This is in the unicorn, which I think is really cute unicorn. I can't wait to use it. And the reason why I decided to get this is because I tried the spa, I forgot the name, but they're bath bombs in lavender. Really like it. I had a good experience. Usually I'm very sensitive, but I didn't get any allergic reaction or anything, or any itchiness and stuff, so I decided to try this. And I think they had these at Five Below or something like that, or Family Dollar. But yeah, I was excited to find these. They had cupcake, they had a butterfly, but the unicorn, my favorite. And the next item is some eyebrow and bikini line trimmers. This is the first time I've seen these at my local Dollar Tree. I don't know if this is a product that usually comes in or that they sell, but I was happy to see these. And this is from Lash, the Choice of Professionals brand. They are from California. So I was excited to get these because I love these to trim my eyebrows, to clean them up, and to just shapen them a little more, you know, keep them nice and groomed. So that's why I got that, and I really like these. Well, I can't say I really like them because I haven't tried them, but they're similar to the big ones that I like. And then the last product in this haul is another bin. I got a reversible sequin bin that looks like this. This is the one that I wanted to get in the first place. So I was happy to find one. They had one without the plastic on it, but the other thing was lost, like the little board that goes inside to keep it up. It was lost, so I was gonna get that one too, but what's the point if I can't really use it? So I just got this one, really cute, and I'm so happy that I was able to get another one of these bins. So this concludes my Dollar Tree haul. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed this haul. I have another Dollar Tree haul coming up from all the things that I've wanted, you know, the wish list items. So if you would like to see that, let me know in the comments below, or thumbs up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another one. Bye bye.